Get yourself a new project, 1280 times 720. Press OK, go to the bucket tool and get yourself a background. You can click on here. You want to press OK and left click on the screen. You go to the text tool, swap over to a white color. You want to left click and drag this out and type in your text. So the key to this is to make sure you have a suitable font that actually matches this effect. Now the one that I'm using is called An Unfortunate Event D-Wrapped. Another thing that you can do to your text is you can highlight it and go to the character of it. Now if you don't have this option right here, you can go to Window and get yourself the character. I changed it from 0 to 100 to make it slightly spread apart from each other, so they're not touching. You can get to the blending options by right clicking on here, go to blending options. The first one you want to apply is bevel and emboss. You want to get yourself a inner shadow, a color overlay, and a drop shadow. The first one, you want to make sure it's on inner bevel. Put the technique on chisel hard. Put the depth on 300. Keep the direction on up. Change the size to 20. Keep the soften on 0 pixels. For the shading, we have the angle on 90 degrees. Make sure it's in the center of the circle where mine is. You can either use global light or you can have it unticked. It doesn't make much of a difference. Put this to 35 for the attitude. Go to the glass contour and change this one to the second one. You want to click on this arrow and change it to this one. You can either have it like this or you can have it anti-aliased. Next, you want to move on to the highlight mode, and this one is going to be set on this one right here. So color dodge add, make it a white color and change this to 64. The shade mode will be 60 and you want to leave it on multiply. For this one, we're going to change the opacity to 40%. Put this on normal, have it on 90 degrees, put the distance on 6 pixels, keep the choke on 0 and change the size to 8. In the contour, you want to click on this arrow and change it to this one. Moving on to color overlay. In this one, you want to get yourself a specific color, and that specific color will be FF9C00, and that is a nice gold color. You want to press OK. And the very last one is the drop shadow. For this one, we're going to set it to 80%. Keep it on multiply, leave the angle on 90, change the distance to 0 so it's center, put the size on 28. You want to go ahead and press OK now, and we are now done. This is your golden text.